Welcome back to Car Vibes Auto. Today we're checking out the stunning 2025-2026 Toyota Fortuner Modellista, a premium SUV that takes luxury, power, and road presence to the next level. This special Modellista edition brings a more aggressive and stylish personality to the already bold Fortuner, making it stand out instantly on the road. From the outside, the Fortuner Modellista looks absolutely commanding. The custom Modellista body kit gives it a sportier and more premium appearance, with a redesigned front bumper, sharp chrome accents, sleek LED headlights, and a bold grille that adds serious attitude. The sculpted sides, stylish alloy wheels, and enhanced rear design with sporty detailing make it look more like a luxury performance SUV than a regular family vehicle. It's built to impress, whether you're driving in the city or on highways. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a premium cabin that feels both modern and comfortable. The interior features high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and premium leather seats that provide excellent comfort for long journeys. The infotainment system comes with a large touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, navigation, and a premium sound system for an immersive driving experience. There's plenty of space for passengers and luggage, making it perfect for family trips and long tours. Under the hood, the Toyota Fortuner Modellista delivers strong performance with powerful engine options, smooth automatic transmission, and excellent road stability. Whether it's city driving, highways, or off-road conditions, this SUV handles everything confidently. The suspension setup offers a balanced ride between comfort and toughness, while the steering feels solid and controlled. In terms of features, it comes loaded with modern safety and tech, including advanced driver assistance systems, multiple airbags, stability control, parking sensors, 360-degree camera, and smart driving modes for different terrains. It's built not just for style, but for safety and reliability too. Talking about price, the 2025-2026 Toyota Fortuner Modellista is positioned as a premium variant, so it comes at a higher price than the standard Fortuner, but the design upgrades, luxury feel, and premium features truly justify it. If you want a powerful, stylish, and luxurious SUV that offers performance, comfort, and road dominance in one package, the Toyota Fortuner Modellista is definitely worth considering. This is Car Vibes Auto, and I'll see you in the next video. Car Fire.